How to use Do Not Disturb in Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to silence notifications, calls and alerts so you can focus or rest, here is how you can use Do Not Disturb. So swipe down from the top right corner and here you can touch and hold the focus button. And from the pop-up menu, simply select Do Not Disturb from the list. Pro tip: while Do Not Disturb is on, you'll see a crescent moon icon in the status bar. So, if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can turn it off easily by opening the control center again, and from there simply tap on crescent moon icon to turn it off or back on instantly. And now you can reduce distraction and stay focused effortlessly. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.